Cats are the part of life and they are just like a family member. We should love them. They also love as a family member. This cat is beautiful and very playful and very active. She is pregnant and about to deliver the babies and living a happy life. But when the pregnancy advanced, she became in miserable condition because she gave birth to few child. This beautiful furry cat was found abandoned in a very distressed and miserable condition. After gathering her history, we learned that she had given a birth, but unfortunately, some kittens remained inside her uterus, putting her life at serious risk because her previous caretaker couldn't afford the cost of surgery. She was left without medical care she urgently needed. Thankfully, some kind souls brought her to the Hadi Pet Care, where our dedicated veterinary team sprang into action. Proper cleaning and washing has been performed, and after grooming necessary, the blood work has been performed as a pre-operative, and we checked that some babies are inside the uterus. The uterus is inflamed and pyometra has been developed. So after blood work, we performed the spaying surgery and under general anesthesia, laparotomy has been performed and the uterus along with the dead fetus has been removed. The cat is under general anesthesia and going on the under spaying surgery. In a life-saving emergency spring surgery, we removed the life-threatening complications and gave her the expert medical care she had been denied for. During emergency operation, we carefully removed the diseased uterus along with the retained fetal material that was threatening her life. The procedure is not only eliminated the source of infection but also prevented further complications that couldn't have been fatal. It's a very serious condition and emergency surgery should be performed and remove the uterus, ovaries. Now cat is under observation. After performing the surgery, look at her. Today, this gorgeous girl is healthy, comfortable, and full of life again. She is playful, affectionate, and ready to spread joy in a real home. She deserves a family who will cherish her and give her safe, happy life she always dreamed of. But her journey is not complete yet. Medicine saved her life, surgery relieved her suffering. However, there is one thing that no veterinary clinic can provide: a loving, forever home.